My dear students, today we will do chapter 5, Adaptations in Plants. Chapter 4, we have done adaptations in animals. So you can recall what are adaptations. Adaptations are special features of any living organism which help that organism to survive in its habitat. So plants also adapt, and in this chapter we will discuss adaptations in plants. Now, what is need for adaptations in plants? Why do plants adapt? Plants are found at many places. They are present in plains, in desert, in water bodies, etc. The living conditions are different at different places, and plants need water, minerals, sunlight, air, and protection from animals. So they adapt themselves according to their habitat. Adaptations in terrestrial plants. What are terrestrial plants? The plants growing on land are called terrestrial plants. Terrestrial plants are found in hilly areas also. Some plants found in hilly areas. What are the adaptations in plants which are found in hilly areas? First point, trees are conical in shape, means shape of trees is cone-like. Now this conical shape helps all the snow to shed off, all the snow to fall down. Second, leaves are needle-like. When leaves are needle-like, they can survive better in very cold temperature. Also, snow cannot remain on the needle-like leaves. It falls down. Third point, trees do not bear flowers, but they have cones, so they are called conifers. Plants found in desert. In desert, there is very less water. It is too hot. So accordingly, plants adapt themselves to survive in desert habitat. So first adaptation is leaves are changed into spines to prevent loss of water. Leaves are changed into spines. They are like spines, so that water is not lost by transpiration process. Second point, stem performs photosynthesis. When leaves are changed to spines, there are no leaves or there are less leaves. Then which plant part will do photosynthesis? So it is stem that performs photosynthesis. Third point, stem is fleshy to store water. Fourth, roots are spread over a large area to absorb maximum water. That means wherever water is present in the soil, deep down the soil or in the surrounding area, plant can absorb water because roots are spread over a large area to absorb maximum water. What are adaptations in plants along seacoast? Seacoast means the surrounding area near the sea. How these plants adapt themselves? First point, leaves are thick to protect plant from exposure to sun. Second, plants have ability to produce very large seeds which get dispersed by seawater and grow into new plants. For example, coconut, it grows in seacoast. So, fruits are large, seeds are large in case of coconut. These flow with seawater and grow into new plants. Plants found in marshy areas. What are marshy areas? Marshy areas are the areas where soil contains large amount of water. So soil is damp. It is like that wet soil. All the time water is present in the soil. So roots of plants are not able to breathe. Roots of plants in marshy areas are not able to breathe. So for breathing, some roots grow above the soil and help to breathe. So plants in marshy areas, they have breathing roots that grow above the soil and help to breathe.